The topic of the video is how to install NGROK on Windows operating system. I will show you everything in this video, like how to install NGROK and how to use it, some tips of using NGROK, etc. things in the video. Before starting the video, let me tell a little about NGROK. You can also skip this part and jump to the main video. NGROK is a terminal based software. It allows one to run his localhost web page on other devices. To be clear, it provides a link. With the link, anybody can be forwarded to a specific localhost hosted with the device. I will discuss more about localhost, like how to install a localhost on your computer, how to host web page using localhost, etc. things in the very next videos. Now let us move to the video. At first, I will download and install NGROK. So let's open a browser. Simply go to the website ngrok.com. You will be taken to NGROK's website. You have two buttons here, login and sign up. If you are new, just click on the sign up button. I'm also clicking in the sign up button. This is the sign up page. You can fill up your name, email address here and sign up. But there is a option, bro, sign up with Google. I will click here and select my account and sign up. It's quite easy. Here is the dashboard of NGROK. There is a button, download for Windows. Let's download it. Here is the file. It's a zip file. Let's unzip it. 7-zip and extract to NGROK. Here is the folder containing the NGROK application. I will rename the folder and just make it NGROK. It's a simple name and we have ngrok.exe in the folder. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the NGROK application opening with CMD. Here is the options you can do with NGROK. But before using NGROK, we have to link our account with this, which we have previously signed up. To do it, go back to the NGROK dashboard, come to the second step, connect your account. Then copy the whole command, but except this dot and slash, because this dot and slash is for Linux commands, and copy it. Go back to the NGROK application, then paste it here. It is pasted, then hit enter. It is saying that auth token means authentication token is saved to configuration file which is named ngrok.yml. Now we are ready. As I told you, it's give a link which forwards to the localhost hosting with the device. So let's host a localhost. Let's start the localhost. XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel, and here is our control panel. If you don't know about XAMPP and localhost, don't be worried. I will soon make video on this and this will be available soon in the description box. Okay, let's start Apache and showing that the localhost port is 80. Let's go to the localhost 80. Let's type localhost. Okay. So in my localhost there is a message showing testing is successful. This is a simple website hosting with my localhost, or this is a simple page which shows the message testing is successful. Now this page is available only in my device. Now how can we make available in this all devices? NGROK will help us. Now type the NGROK command, NGROK space http space the port number which is 80 space 80 and hit enter. Okay, see our session is online and here is the link, forwarding link, which will forward to the localhost. Let's copy the forwarding link, Ctrl C, and let's paste it here. Okay, see with this link it's showing my localhost. My localhost will be available in all devices with this link. Now there is other things you can do with NGROK. Come here to a new tab, type ngrok.com/docs and hit enter. There is many things you can do. There is the other feature, I like it. Password protecting your tunnel means anybody who want to access the server, he have to give username and password. Copy this command. Let's see it how it works. Go to NGROK and then paste it here. Here our port is 80. Okay, I'm just making the username and password as default and hit enter. This is the link and this link is password protected. Control C, then Control V, and see asking for username and password. So this was default username was username, USERNAME username, and password was password. Okay, and sign in. Yes, with the password and username you can access it. You have to give the username here. What username you are wanting, give here the username and password here. You can check out this ngrok.com/docs and make anything with the ngrok application. Wait, I have another thing to say you. I have another tip about ngrok. You have to open ngrok.exe before starting a session. But how is it? If we just open command prompt or any terminal and type just the ngrok command, ngrok space http space 80, and get our session. But there is a problem. It's showing that ngrok is not an internal or an external command. I will solve it. Go to the folder where ngrok.exe exists. Make a separate folder for ngrok.exe, and here it is. Copy the path. Okay. Now search for environment variables. Open it. Click on environment variables. Then select the path variable here and click on edit. Then add a new variable. Paste the path here which we have previously copied and click on OK. Now do the same thing here for system variable. Select the path variable. Click on edit. Add a new variable. Paste the path here and click on OK. We are ready. Click on OK here. Now let's open CMD, and I think that it is solved. Okay, let's write the ngrok command, ngrok space http space 80. Hit enter. Yes, it's working. You have not to open ngrok.exe before starting any session. It is easy to you. I love easy things. Open any terminal and type the ngrok command.